So we have spent quite a bit of time lately talking about shapes, using them for our artwork. So this is one of the books we looked at where we had to talk about, well, what are some of the traits shapes have? How do we identify them? If you were looking for a triangle in here in this piece of artwork, if I said, where is the large yellow triangle? You would think it's gotta be big, it's gotta be a triangle. We know a triangle has 3 corners, so we would look for shapes with 3 corners, but I also said the big yellow triangle, so then we would know we're talking about this one. So we know how to identify our shapes. We know how to make them by drawing them. We practice painting them. The thing that we're going to look at now is if I give you something like this sheet that you have and it already has shapes on it, well, how would I make the shapes from this? How would I get the shape? It's already here. There's a triangle there. There's a circle there. How would I get it off of there? So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to use scissors. All right? So these scissors are shaped a certain way. Maybe you have some like these. Maybe yours are a little different. But I noticed there's ovals here that I'm supposed to put my hands in. When I use my scissors, my hand needs to be able to open and close, open and close. I'm left-handed, some of you might be right-handed, okay? But either way, open and close. You'll notice when I'm doing this, my thumb is by itself, my other fingers are grouped together. So if I look here at the scissors, well, how would I put them on my hand? Well, this hole is smaller, and my thumb goes by itself, so that's where my thumb would go. And then I'm going to group 2 or 3 fingers together inside the larger hole. And then I want to be able to open and close, open and close, open and close. All right, I never want to have my scissors on my hand so that they're pointed back at me, because then I'm going to cut up my clothing, not my paper. All right, so I want you to have your scissors ready on your hand for when we start cutting out our shapes.